If you're a photographer, you know the feeling of holding an M-series camera. It's heavy, it's cold, it's mechanical, and it's intimidating. It demands that you actually know what you're doing. But for years, the purists have been worried. They've seen the M10 and the M11 push the limits of digital rangefinders, and they've been asking, where does Leica go from here? How do you improve upon perfection without losing the soul of the machine? The leaks coming out of Wetzlar, Germany, suggest that Leica isn't just making a better camera. They are redefining the very act of seeing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about a sensor technology that has never been seen in a full-frame body. We are talking about a viewfinder that bridges the gap between the analog past and the digital future in a way that feels like sorcery. And perhaps most controversially, we are talking about a design shift that has the Leica community divided down the middle. Today, we are going deep. We are going to examine every screw, every piece of glass, and every line of code that makes up the M12. We are going to look at why the M12 is currently the most anticipated camera in the United States, and why professional street photographers from New York to Los Angeles are already clearing their schedules for its release. If you've been thinking about investing in an M11, or if you're holding on to your M9 for that CCD look, you need to hear this. Because the M12 is about to change the rules of the game. Let's start with the heart of the M12, the sensor. For the longest time, the debate has raged, resolution versus low-light performance. With the M11, we saw the triple resolution technology. But for the M12, Leica is rumored to be introducing a hybrid organic sensor. Imagine a 75 megapixel beast that doesn't just capture light, but interprets it with a tonal range of medium format film. This new sensor architecture is designed to mimic the highlight roll-off of the legendary Leica M6 film stocks. It's not about clinical sharpness anymore, it's about character. It's about that Leica glow being baked into the raw data at a hardware level. But the real shocker? The viewfinder. Since 1954, the rangefinder has been the M's identity. But the M12 is whispered to feature a hybrid optical-digital rangefinder. Imagine looking through a crystal-clear glass window, but with a high-resolution transparent OLED overlay. You get the real-world brightness of an optical finder, but with the ability to see your exposure, your focus peaking, and even a live preview of your film simulation, all without a digital screen blocking your view of reality. This is the holy grail of photography. It allows the photographer to stay connected to the moment while having the precision of 2026 technology. Now, let's talk about the body. Leica is known for its minimalism, but the M12 takes it to a new level. The rumor mill is spinning with news of a buttonless back. Not because they want to make it a smartphone, but because they want to make it an extension of your hand. Using haptic touch surfaces integrated directly into the magnesium alloy, the M12 allows you to change your ISO and shutter speed with subtle gestures that feel completely natural. No more clicking through menus. No more distractions. Just you, the lens, and the light. And for the first time in the history of the M system, we are hearing whispers of internal stabilization. Now, purists might scream that IBIS has no place in a rangefinder. But Leica engineers have supposedly